Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in replaced game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the solutions. Fix 1 is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on replaced game and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then just restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then again go to the replaced properties, go to the controller tab and this time select enable Steam input instead and then again restart the game because changing requires restart of the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in replaced game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if the controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issues. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative option. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch replaced game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC and run the Steam as an admin and then check. So by following these steps, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in replaced game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.